kind of felt like when we got here, after a long drive from San Jose, it was kind of like coming to a home.
I'm Melissa, and this is Brad, and we came to Bodhi Surf and Yoga with Ray and Ethan.
Yeah, we've been on surfboards before, but not really actually surf. The next morning, we actually went surfing and we traveled around the town a bit, and I really got to know the place, and I liked it even more than I thought it was.
Our hosts have been incredibly hospitable and welcoming.
I think the people in general were funny though, like, yeah.
The way that Ibran taught was to help us be independent on a surfboard. He was really great with the kids. The way he was able to teach all four of us in a way that was meaningful to Brad and I, as well as to my 13-year-old and to my 11-year-old.
It was really comforting to see how Ibran and Luis really made sure the children were safe when we were out in the surf.
Ethan has a lot of energy and hard to sit through things, and he knew how to keep his attention, so that was really...
And now we have the ability to go on to our next part of our vacation and surf on our own. For me, it's a sense of belonging. Really feel that here. Yeah.